Hello everyone, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to make a simple but delicious pasta recipe with broccoli in garlic oil. Come over to my kitchen guys, let's go cooking. This is some whole wheat spaghetti, but you can use whatever spaghetti you like. Here the water is boiling. I am going to add some seasoned bouillon. You can add salt if you prefer. To the boiling water, I am going to add about half package of the pasta and I am going to allow it to cook according to package instruction. This package say about 10 minutes. While your pasta is boiling, you're going to add a little oil that will help keep the pasta smooth and nice. Once your pasta is done, you're going to strain it and set it aside. So now for our broccoli, we are going to add our broccoli to some boiling water seasoned with some seasoned bouillon. This is about 2 cups of frozen broccoli and I am going to allow it to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes or until tender. Once the broccoli is done, we are going to strain and set aside. To add extra flavor to our pasta dish and a beautiful color, here I have some chives, red onion and bell peppers. We are going to add our veggies to a food processor to finely mince to give that pasta dish a beautiful look. To give it that rich garlic flavor we are looking for, we are going to mince 10 garlic. And to flavor up our pasta, here we have some adobo, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some rosemary. So it's time to combine all our ingredients to make that lovely pasta dish. So here I have my frying pan with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Here we had our garlic and we are going to allow it to saute for about a minute to release that lovely garlic flavor. Around this time, we are going to add our minced veggie and continue to stir. So here I add about a teaspoon of dried rosemary. You can add dry rosemary or some Italian season. Rosemary really go well with pasta dish. And there I add a little more extra virgin olive oil. About 3 minutes later, we are going to add our pasta. Guys, do you see how beautiful our pasta is looking from the minced veggie? Wow. So once we give it a nice stir, we are going to go ahead and season it up with our black pepper, our garlic powder, onion powder, and we are going to add a little of adobo. This, you can add the adobo if you need more salt. The adobo is to give it a salty flavor. So you're going to taste for salt and add salt to your likeness. I add about a teaspoon of dry parsley, and then here comes our broccoli. This is a quick and easy dish, yet rich in flavor. This is a lovely vegetarian dish. Or if you're just looking for a recipe without meat, this is a lovely, tasty recipe to try. So once we properly stirred every ingredient together, here is the final result of our pasta dish. Beautiful looking and tasty. So guys, drop a comment below and let me know if you would enjoy this dish just as it is, or if you choose to add meat, would you add chicken or shrimp? If you enjoyed this video also, give it a big like. If you are here for the first time and you enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel to support it and to receive more of my upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a big shout out to my subscribers and faithful viewers. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Until next time, bye.